Hello, I'm Hendren with Rio Grande, and in this video, I'm going to answer a couple of questions that I get all the time. First of all, what's the difference between all these rolling mills? And secondly, which one of these rolling mills is best for me? Keep watching this video, I'll answer those questions. Let's get started. Durston makes a rolling mill for every need. But when you're selecting a rolling mill, the most important question to ask yourself is, how hard do I want to work?
Reducing metal thickness or imprinting a pattern can be strenuous work, to say the least. So at Rio, we carry mills that require various degrees of effort, from direct drive to gear reduction and even electric power versions.
Direct drive mills are exactly what they sound like.
The energy from the handle is translated to the rollers in a direct 1-to-1 ratio. This means that to turn the rollers one time, you must also turn the handle one time. Direct drive requires the most effort, and for some tasks it may just be too much or too difficult. But if you're willing to put in the effort, direct drive mills still have the same Durston quality and are usually the least expensive. So if that's an important consideration, you may have found your match. Keep in mind that for most tasks, a smooth, uninterrupted roll is needed to avoid a wavy texture. So be sure to get a mill that matches your strength.
Now let's move to gear reduction. This Agile mill is a 4-to-1 gear reduction. This RG mill is a 5-to-1 gear reduction. And our brand new Olivia is 50-to-1 gear reduction.
50-to-1 means that to turn the roller once, you must turn the handle 50 times. This requires the least amount of effort before motor assist, which I think we can all appreciate, but especially if you have strength restrictions. These will, in theory, take more time to roll out material, but in my experience, the difference is negligible due to how much easier they are to use.
So when you're choosing a mill to last your entire career, a gear reduction mill is your best choice. So if you're a manufacturer or you just do a lot of mill work, the Durston electric mills are probably what you really need.
These will enable you to process many pieces more quickly than a manual mill with the least amount of effort, but the trade-off is a higher cost. You have to decide if that convenience is worth it for the amount you'll be rolling. We offer single and double-sided electric mills depending on the versatility you need. All of these mills have 1.5 horsepower variable speed motors, which is plenty of get up and go for all your jewelry tasks.
The next consideration is, what are you going to use your mill for? Today and in the future. Rolling mills come with many options, so choose the rolling mill that has all of the features that you will need. So if the majority of your work is rolling out sheet, texture plates, or ingots, a flat roller is probably the best roller for you.
The entire roller is a smooth, flat area. These come in widths from 100 millimeters, about 4 inches, to 165 millimeters, about 6.5 inches.
So when you're selecting a flat rolling mill, make sure that you get the right width of rollers for the type of work you're going to be doing. But if you also need to be able to roll wire, then a combo mill is probably your best choice.
Combination rolling mills offer both flat surfaces as well as sections with grooves for rolling wire. These wire sections can be double V grooves for square wire or single D grooves for half-round wire.
Some of the mills that we carry have both double V grooves and D grooves to roll wire. But keep in mind, those grooved areas reduce your flat rolling area. That brings up the topic of extension rollers.
These come in handy if you want a flat mill to work with sheet, but also occasionally need to roll wire. Extension rollers give you the option. Or if you need to roll out more varieties of wire than on a regular combo mill, like square wire and half round, then a combo mill with extension rollers would be perfect.
All of the extension rollers have 4 different sizes of D grooves for rolling half round wire. If you're looking for the total package, then the double combination mill is probably the mill you're looking for.
These mills have triple stage gear reduction to make turning the handle easier. Where single combo mills typically sacrifice some width for the convenience of having both wire grooves and flat rolling space on the same roller, the double combination rolling mill offers 2 separate sets of rollers, one flat and one grooved for wire. This gives maximum flat width and the most size options for square wire. They also come with extension rollers for half-round wire.
An important consideration when selecting a mill is, how heavy a mill do you really need? All Durston mills are designed to last a lifetime, but some people still prefer the heavier Durston mills.
Rio carries a wide range of the original cast iron heavy mills with the DRM and the doubles. We also sell mills that feature a few small changes in the cast iron design that makes for a lighter weight, more affordable mill without sacrificing any operational efficiency that you would expect from a Durston rolling mill in the Agile and the RG mills. One important note is that all mills should be properly secured onto a sturdy base to ensure safe and efficient work.
Well, I hope you found this video informative. Durston makes an amazing product that's designed to last your entire career. So I encourage you, take your time. Choose the mill that's going to work best for you in the long run. If you have any questions, comment below. Keep rolling, friends.